If you have issues with Hotspot not working properly on your OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to settings. There we go. Now in settings, we should be able to go to mobile network. And then once you open mobile network settings, go to the personal hotspot. Now in here we can find, for example, the option itself to activate the personal hotspot. So you can turn it on, and then of course you can generate a QR code that we can scan on another device in order to try to connect to the hotspot without having to look for the network and without having to enter the password. Of course, the password and the name can be found over here in hotspot settings. You can also change it. But what is more important over here is, for example, the AP band. So if you use 5 GHz AP band, of course, you can increase the hotspot speed. And as a result, some older devices that are not compatible with this frequency, they might not be able to find the hotspot, so you might want to switch back to 2.4 GHz. And the same thing can be said about the Wi-Fi 6 protocol. While of course it provides faster hotspot speed, it is also as a result incompatible with some devices. If a smartphone or another device does not use Wi-Fi 6, if it doesn't support Wi-Fi 6, then of course it might not be possible to connect to the hotspot, so you might want to turn it off to see if that makes any difference. And of course, hide hotspot option. If this option is enabled, normally, naturally, the hotspot will not be detectable on the list of Wi-Fi networks. So if you want to stay invisible, you can of course use the QR code. And of course we also have this option, automatically turn off personal hotspot, which after 10 minutes automatically disables the hotspot if no device is connected, in case you need more time for some reason, and then of course you can disable this option. But remember to turn off hotspot by yourself manually once you are done with sharing the access to the internet. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.